Hello, this is a how-to video using one of the screen recording apps called Screencast-O-Matic. There are a few different ways of capturing your video, but I like this one because you get 15 minutes free, and in my opinion, you probably don't want your videos to be much longer, even than 5 minutes, because you want to hold our students' attention as well as make our objective in the video clear and easy to follow. So when you go to the Screencast-O-Matic website, you're going to press this button here that says Launch Free Recorder. When you do that, a screen will come up and it will allow you to either have a little picture of yourself down here. It will look like this. Or you can have just a picture of you, or you can have just the screen that you want to show. And then you can have the sites already loaded on your page that you want the students to go to. So say you are doing a how-to about how to access the work in Schoology, you would then go to your Schoology tab, or you would have that set up already, and you would begin to take them through your lesson. You can pause your video at any time to take a break from your recording, and you can edit it also with a pause button, and then you can just move the arrow to erase anything that you might want to edit out. So for my how-to videos, I often show the students, here's your folder in Schoology, School from Home. This is week 2, so we are going to be exploring the question, is water, access to free water, a human right? And here's my how-to lesson. And then I would just take them through what is expected for the week. Journal, the article, questions. Now, sometimes I break it into different how-tos. For example, here, this would be if I was going to read the article aloud to the students so that they could have the option of looking at the text and hearing it read. Similarly, I might do a how-to about how to write the sentence here, idea paragraph. So that's it. You just record your lesson, and then when you are finished, you can either upload it to Google Drive if you have the account, or you can upload it to your YouTube channel if you have one, or you can just save it to your computer and then you import it as a file when you add your materials. So you would add your file, okay, from your videos if you saved it as a video, or if you have the YouTube channel, you would do it as a link. That's it. It's very straightforward. On Screencast-O-Matic, there is tutorials as well that are probably better than mine, even. And I hope that is helpful. So please try it out. We have had students say that they enjoy the how-to videos. And like I said, you can the first 15 minutes are free, so go ahead and have fun. Thanks for watching.